My name is Emily Summers. I'm a Dallas-based designer, and today I'm coming to you from New York City from a beautiful apartment on the Upper East Side. My clients discovered this apartment and fell in love with the location. Once they stepped into the apartment, they were confronted with these beautiful pre-war architectural details that were the theme of the entire beautiful building. This has been an amazing collaboration with our client, and I'm very excited to show you what we did. So follow me. My clients and I were committed to keeping the pre-war details of the apartment. And when you enter, you step in through the original steel door that connects you to the entire apartment. Once you step into the living room, you'll notice this soaring stained glass window with its 17th century panels. The soft light that comes through the stained glass windows obviously influenced the color palette for the entire apartment. We selected this beautiful wool rug not only for its color and palette, but also for its durability, as they want to entertain a lot in this room. The angular sofa and matching chairs were one of the first things we found. They were the perfect fit, and in this gorgeous silk velvet, they were the great beginning for this room. What I like about the neoclassical fireplace, it has a nice dialogue with the stained glass windows, but it also shows that work can be brought together in one space. The first thing you'll notice in the dining room is the beautiful light fixture that looks like a constellation of stars over the table. I actually designed this table for my client many years ago, and she liked it so much that we repeated it in this project. The architectural table bases are out of a beautiful gray marble, or simple and elegant with the carpet and the glass top. The simplicity of the Danish chairs works perfectly with the glass table. The sheer nun's veiling of the window treatment brings a softness into the room, making this the perfect dining experience. I always think that master bedrooms should be a serene place to relax. The wall treatment in the master is marmerino plaster, which shows a beautiful handwork to the plaster finish, and it's a soft dove gray. Because the ceiling of the bedroom has the beautiful pre-war details, we did not want to penetrate with light fixtures. So we put a beautiful Philippe Antoine's plaster chandelier here that has uplight to light the room. We also added light behind the headboard to highlight the beautiful Teresita Fernandez piece over the bed. The room is simple and elegant and easy to live in. Thank you for walking through this beautiful home with me. I hope you can now see how you can easily combine classicism and modernism into a very elegant home. Hope to see you at the next one.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?